Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best cappuccino machines under 200 available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have DeLonghi Cappuccino Machine. You can prepare creamy froth with ease, simple to clean. You can enjoy delicious espresso made your way with the DeLonghi Pump Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. You can choose to brew ground espresso or E.S.E pods with the unique patented dual filter holder. You can enjoy espresso or cappuccino at the perfect temperature with 2 separate thermostats. If you prefer cappuccino you'll enjoy using the easy-to-use swivel jet frother, which makes perfect drinks every time. Other highlights include self-priming operation to eliminate pesky startup preparation, removable water tank. Also in drip tray and a durable high-quality stainless steel boiler to ensure many years of delicious espresso. At number 6 we have Mr. Coffee Cappuccino Machine. It comes with one simple touch Mr. Coffee Café Barista Premium Espresso and Cappuccino System brews espresso. Also it automatically froths milk for cappuccino and latte selections. You don't need Barista know how to create custom drinks like your favorite coffee house. You can simply pick a single or double shot filter and select your grounds, fill the milk reservoir and choose your brew. It featuring an electric 15-bar pump that creates powerful pressure to extract bold rich flavors during the brew. It has one-touch controls, let you choose between single or double shots and automatically froths milk with an adjustable control knob. At number 5 we have DeLonghi Cappuccino Machine. The DeLonghi 15-bar pump espresso machine ensures barista quality results at home, so you can enjoy your favorite coffeehouse beverages at home. The advanced cappuccino system with hot milk or cappuccino selector mixes and steams milk to a rich creamy froth for evenly textured drinks. Other features include a double-layer drip tray, removable water tank and fill stainless steel accents. Whatever your preference, single or double espresso, cappuccino or latte, the machine brews authentic barista quality beverages just like your favorite coffee house. The bottom tray of the unit is easy to remove to fit taller cups. At number 4 we have Espresso Cappuccino Machine. You can experience the full taste of espressos, cappuccinos and lattes. The 4-cup espresso and cappuccino machine features an exclusive coffee steam selector. That's make it easy to control brewing and steaming for coffee strength to personal taste. The powerful steam/boiler reduces warm-up time to under 2 minutes. That's producing 2 to 4 cappuccinos or lattes in under 5 minutes. The exclusive coffee steam selector makes it easy to control both brewing and steaming. It adjusts coffee strength to your personal taste. At number 3 we have Mr. Coffee Cappuccino Machine. It is equipped with a powerful frother. This espresso maker creates rich espressos and lets you whip up lattes and cappuccinos to light frothy perfection. The powerful steam brewing process makes dark rich espresso and the extra-large portafilter brews up to 4 shots. It is great for making Cuban coffee. The stainless steel frothing pitcher and integrated frothing wand make it easy to steam and froth milk, so you can effortlessly create your favorite cafe-style drinks. The water pitcher includes an easy measuring system to help you use the right amount of water to brew espresso and steam milk to perfection. This espresso maker also includes a convenient measuring scoop for easy coffee scooping and leveling. At number 2 we have Espresso Cappuccino Machine. You can experience the full taste of espressos, cappuccinos and lattes with the Espresso E.S.E 100 Pump Espresso and Cappuccino Machine. This unit has a stainless steel-lined thermoblock heating system with 15-bar pressure. The 46-ounce water container is removable for easy filling. The filter holder with thumb guard is self-locking. The single sieve can be used with pre-packed espresso pods or pre-ground coffee. It is easy to use swivel frother for unlimited steam output and separate frothing positions for steamed milk and frothed milk. At number 1 we have DeLonghi Cappuccino Machine. This single-serve coffee maker and electric frother will always deliver hot steamy beverages on demand. This coffee maker is not only compatible with K-cup pods but it can also brew coffee grounds. It is equipped with quick heating technology. In only 3 minutes you can have your favorite coffee just the way you like it. The self-cleaning feature automatically takes care of cleaning the coffee maker by pressing 2 buttons at the same time. This milk frother and beverage heater allows you to indulge in cafe-style coffee drinks with different textures of froth in 1 to 3 minutes. The machines shut off automatically when the tasks are complete. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best cappuccino machines for your need.